All right, hey everybody, take a look at some of this really cool stuff we saw at the SEMA Show. All right, hey everybody, it's Tony with Blacktop, and we're here at the SEMA Show 2019. I'm at the Grypmat booth, and I just met Tom, the founder and owner. Tom, how are you?
Doing awesome here at SEMA.
Right on, man. It's a great show. You got so much traffic here, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. But you got a really cool new product that helps people organize their tools, fasteners, all that, while they're working on the car and pretty much anything else.
Yeah, it's a flexible, non-slip tool tray. Gives you a safe place to set your tools. Bright orange color acts as a visual management, so you can easily see it. Not going to lose that pesky 10mm socket. And yeah, it's used by NASA. Recently bought by the FBI. I don't know why, but yeah, it's pretty cool.
Well, they might have it on their trucks or something, you know, when they're doing some tactical work. Who knows?
Yeah.
But it looks like it's super handy, and we dig that in our In the Toolbox section. We dig like the really cool stuff, different things that really help out every day to day.
Yeah, for sure.
Right on. And so how are you finding the SEMA Show?
It's been awesome. You know, we're right here on this main Dragon, the Performance Pavilion, so I've been getting a lot of traffic, which is really cool.
Yeah, and this is your third year here, so we wish you incredible success. So thanks for showing your product and sharing it with everybody.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by.
Oh, yeah. Check out all the cool tools we got here from the SEMA Show, including Grypmat, and thanks a lot, Tom. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. I'll see you.
All right, everybody. See you later. All right, so here we are at the SEMA Show, and as you can see, there's been a lot of fun, a lot of great stuff. It's a lot of work, but we come out here every year to share some of the new stuff with you guys, so hope you dig it. Be sure to subscribe to Blacktop TV on YouTube. Talk to you soon. Hey, did you know we have Blacktop trading cards? That's right. You can get your car on a cool trading card and share it with your friends at car shows and that sort of thing. Blacktop trading cards. Check it out at blacktopmagazine.com/cards. All right, see you at the shows.
Hi, I'm Pinky Swear and you're watching Blacktop TV.